This is Remy with the Road Hard Roadhouse. Thanks everybody for watching, subscribing, and liking. And let's get this 2004 Nissan Titan started tonight. All right, you're gonna take the screwdriver, pop this little piece out. You know, pop that out to get to the Phillips screwdriver head right here. You use this little paint scraper here. Pop this out with the least amount of damage possible. There we go, no damage. It's going to reveal two Phillips head screws. Take all three out, here, here, and the one here. If they're stripped for any reason, it looks like it might be close to 10 millimeter. Pop this out. Use your tool. Start popping stuff out. I'm going to go ahead and take out your switches here, your window switches. Got little clips here that you push in and that they pop out. Easy peasy. On the inside of the door, you're going to have to remove the door latch cables, and they come out pretty dang easy. I'll show you when I put it back. Alright, I told you I was going to tell you how to do this. Take this. Set it right in there, and then rotate it. Same thing for up here. Same thing for up here. Set it down, rotate it. Now you're going to need to fit that right in there. It clicks. The one over here does as well. As you can see, somebody's already been in here on my window motor. They've already replaced this because this bolt should go up here, this bolt should come down here. But may have to worry about that. It depends on how old your vehicle is, first owner, all that type of happy horse diddly. And just be ready for that. Here's my new one. I'm kind of placing it to where it's going to be, because you're not going to see much on the other side of this. So I want to make sure that I got everything, you know, this is the plug right here. Everything's right here. By the way, all of these are 10 millimeter. If your Phillips screwdriver head is stripped, it's just 10 millimeter. Okay, you're going to take out this bolt here, this bolt over here. You're going to loosen these two. Looks like somebody had been in here and broke the clip anyway. Unclip it. Take these bolts out, and we'll take out the rest. Once you take all the bolts out, push up the window, and I went ahead and duct taped it to the glass so the glass won't fall down on me. Okay, once you get it out, put the new one in. This is very hard to do one-handed. All right, once you get it out, line this right here to where you can put the screws back in. Well, what, 8 millimeter screws. Okay, remember it's gonna fit like this, because you got to place it in these 3 bolt holes up here. 1, 2, and 3. This has got to come out here. So go ahead and put it back together. All right. See this? This is your reset button. So you want to make sure that it is in that hole right there. Everything else will line up with it. Once you get it back in, this is your reset button. So you want to make sure that it's lined up in that hole there, and everything else will line up with it. Once you figure out how it goes in. All right, I'm not going to tighten those exactly. I'm not going to tighten those tight yet because I got to put everything else in. The reason why we didn't take that bolt out is because we can put it right back in here. Same thing here. Those are 10mm. Tighten the plug, connect the plug, and connect these two. The reason why I haven't shown a lot of the videos is because somebody got in here and boogered this up with a rivet instead of a bolt. So I had a heck of a time getting my stuff up here done. So when Bubba works on your car, you're in trouble. So go ahead and finish bolting these back up to the window regulator. Go ahead and finish bolting the window regulator up to the window bracket. Take your tape off and then bring the window back down to where you're going to be able to attach it to the regulator. I remember mine was boogered up over here. All right. Sorry. Remember, these bolts are 10mm. Okay, go ahead and roll the window all the way up. After you roll the window all the way up, go ahead and tighten your 10mm bolts. After you got everything tightened up, let's start putting it back together again. All right, I told you I was going to tell you how to do this. Take this. Set it right in there, and then rotate it. Same thing for up here. Same thing for up here. Set it down, rotate it. Now you're going to need to fit that right in there. It clicks. The other one over here does as well. Now go ahead and replace these 3 screws. And that one's not tightening up very well, so I'm going to go ahead and use it, the 10 millimeter. These are both lined up. Make sure you subscribe for all my other car stuff. And as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet.